behind us.
Probably, yeah.
Behind us, isn't it?
Sounds like it. Where is it? Oh, it's the Apaches. Two Apaches.
Oh, two of them.
Mental.